This story will make you wonder about those noises you hear in the middle of the night. The hair on the back of his neck stood up, as if the very air whispered a warning. Every night, Jake felt this growing unease that someone had been in his home while he slept. Determined to discover the truth, he set up a camera in the living room. The next morning, he anxiously rewound the footage, as his heart pounding with anticipation, and the clock struck midnight. The front door creaked open and revealing a tall figure with wild hair and a mischievous grin. It was a troll. Jake's jaw dropped as he watched the creature fumble with his gaming console, expertly navigating the menu, and his fingers danced on the controller. Engrossed in the virtual world, Jake sat in shock as a troll has been playing video games in his living room. And at that moment, the front door swung open, and there stood the troll with a game controller in hand, looking to play yet another game.